see nothing but rain clouds. Where did you say you love me? Why did you say I care for you? Where do we go? Drive me crazy. I just can't see the hell you put me through. Why do I even care? Why do I even care? Save me a seat right next to you, baby, so we can be together. When we get to that place, I don't wanna feel nothing but you. Hey, where does it end? When it comes down to loving you, hey, just let me go today. Just let me hold on, I'm tired of slipping. Let me go, alone. That's the way it needs to be. And every day I look in your eyes, I see nothing but deceit. I wish I could let it go, but no, I can't let it go. So I gotta push on, I gotta do better than this. I gotta reach my dreams and aspirations to be somebody that I know I can be. Without your help, bitch, I can do it, please. You don't need to be here to help me. In quotation marks, I know what that means. When I turn around, you stab me in the back, straight through my heart. Yeah, today, let me go on. Baby, I'm gone today. Bye bye. Bye bye.